On this vote, the yeas are 214, the nays are 191. The resolution is, with 5 present, the resolution is adopted. Without objection, the motion to reconsider is laid on the table. Will Representative Bowman present himself in the well? By its adoption of House Resolution 914, the House has resolved that the House of Representatives censures Jamaal Bowman, representative from the 16th Congressional District of New York, that Representative Jamaal Bowman forthwith present himself in the well of the House of Representatives for the pronouncement of censure, and that Representative Jamaal Bowman be censured with the public reading of this resolution by the Speaker.